Well, hi, this is Jay Arthur. I'd like to show you how to create a Pareto chart using ChartSmartXL. Now, if you've ever tried to do this in native Excel, you know this is pretty hard. So it's pretty simple. And if you go under ChartSmartXL and open test data, you'll see that we actually have some Pareto chart test data in here. So I've already opened that up. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is select the type of defect on one side. Now you could select just the nearest row, so we could select line 1 and do it, or you can hold down the control key and select non-adjacent cells. So the control key allows us to select neighboring cells, but not the ones right next to it. Right, so then what you do is go to Pareto chart. The Pareto chart will ask you if you want to summarize, and I've found 9 is about the right number of bars. You can adjust that as needed. So here's our total defects. It'll prompt you for titles. And here you can see folded flaps, bent and damaged, and carton will not open are our main type of defects. And there's other types of data down here. So restaurant complaints. So you can click on that and say Pareto chart. In this case, it's going to go number of cold food, salad not fresh. So those are the two things we need to work on. In healthcare, what type of retained foreign objects are left in after surgery? Again, we could click on Pareto chart. And it'll tell you that sponges are 67% of the retained foreign objects. That's actual real data. The Pareto chart will also allow you to click on, if you have just a column of different types of text, click on the Pareto chart. It'll go summarize that for you. And again, folded flaps, bent and damaged, carton will not open. So there's lots of example data in here. If you have multiple columns of data, in this case, we have line 1, line 2, line 3, and total defects. We could click on Pareto chart, and it'll ask us about summarization. And it'll go draw Pareto charts for all 4 columns of data there. So it'll do line 1, line 2, line 3, and total defects. So that's a very quick way to start to get to clear charts that tell you what to start to fix in your organization. And as you can see here, the first 2 lines have bent and damaged problems, but the last one has folded flaps problems. So we'd want to have different teams work on different things on different lines. No sense in having line 3 work on bent and damaged flaps because they don't have that problem. So that's the essence of using the Pareto chart tool in ChartSmartXL.